Hi guys, so today we are going to start with the SAT practice test 1 for the math portion using without using the calculator. So there are 20 questions and we'll try to solve it as soon as possible. Okay, so starting with the first question, it's given x minus 1 by 3 equals to k equals to 3. What's the value of x? So it's a basic linear equation. X minus 1 by 3 equals to 3 because k is given 3. X minus 1 equals to 9, x equals to 10. Okay, so our answer is D. Now second question, here it's a question of complex number, so we have to add the real part and the imaginary part separately. Okay, the 7 minus 8 is minus 1, 3 plus 9 is 12i. Okay, so this is A. Now third question is, okay, it's a language question. So it says m text message each hour for 5 hours, so it will be 5m, and Tyron sent P text message each hour for 4 hours. So it would be 4P. Which of the following represents the total number of messages? The total number of messages will be 5M plus 4P. That is the C option. Okay. Now we'll go ahead. Okay. Kathy, okay. So this is the equation given where P is the number of phones left and D is the number of days she had worked that week. What is the meaning of P? Value of 108 in the question. Okay, so here the question is given 108 minus 23D. So that means that initial mobiles with the Kathy will be 108. So it will be B. That is, Kathy starts each week with 108 phones. And as soon as she is doing it, the number of phones will get decreased. Okay. Here is a basic question of polynomials. We have to add the like terms. Okay. So this and this is the like term. So x square minus x square y minus of minus, that is 2x square y. Okay, so by this way this option and this option is eliminated. Now 3y square and 3y square are the same terms and a minus sign is there in between, so there should not be a 3y square term or a y square term, so by that chance it will be option C. Now going further, it is given h equals to 3a plus 28.6. Okay, a pediatrician uses the model. Okay, based on the model, what is the estimated increase in the inch of body height each year? Okay, so each year what will be the increase? Okay, so here it is given y equals to mx plus b type of equation, where x is your input and y is your output, and m is the rate of change of x, rate of change of y with respect to x. Okay, so m will be your answer, that is the 3, that is slope. Okay, here, okay, in this question we have to, okay, by seeing the option we are able to see that we have to express p in terms of m and the other equation. Okay, so basically this denominator which is multiplied to p will be in the numerator multiplied to m, so we'll find this term in the question. Okay, so this is, yes, this is the answer because this denominator term is here in numerator. We need not to see rest of the options because none of them have the same type of thing. Okay, so this was the question number 7. Now question number 8. Question number 8 is very simple. A by B equals to 2, 4B by A. Okay, so first we'll reverse this. So B by A will be equals to 1 by 2. Then multiply it by 4 on both the sides. Okay, so the answer will be 2. That's this 2 ones are 2, 2 those are 4. Question 9. Okay, you have to provide the solution for X and Y both. Okay, it's an easy question. What we'll do here is we'll try to eliminate one of the options here. Sorry, we'll try to eliminate one of the variables here. So either we can eliminate x or y. I'll multiply by 3. So first of all, I will write the same equation as it is. Then I will multiply the second equation by a 3 and write it down. I think 19 times 3 is 57. Yeah, and then I will simply add both the equations. So it will be 0, it will be 10y equals to, this will be minus 80. So y will be minus 8. Let's see if any option is having y minus 8. So yes, this is B option. 10th question, gx equals to ax square plus 24. G of 4 is given. What is the g of minus 4? Okay, so if you want to calculate g of minus 4, you need to find what is a, and for if you want to find a, you need this you have to use this thing, that is g of 4 equals to 8. So g of 4 will be equals to a times 4 square plus 24 equals to 16 a plus 24, which is equals to 8, that is given in the question. Solving this, minus 16 equals to 16a. I will subtract a 24 on both the sides. Okay, now a will be equals to, divide both the side by 16 and I will get a equals to minus 1. So a is minus 1. Now we'll be able to solve this. So g of minus 4 will be equals to minus times 4 square plus 24, that will be equals to minus 16 plus 24, 24, that is equals to 8. So A option is our right answer. Going to the question 11. 11 says, okay, B and C represent price per pound of dollar of beef and chicken X weeks after July 1 during the summer. What was the price per pound of beef? And it is equal to the price of pound of chicken. Okay, so it is given that when B equals to C, what is the value of B or C? Because B equals to C, so C will be equals to B. That is the price of chicken will be equals to the price of beef. Okay, so I will do simply, I will equate both of them. So 2.35 plus 0.25x equals to 1.75 plus 0.4x. Okay, now solving this equation, I will try to make the coefficient of x positive. So here there's a 2.25 on the left side and zero point 0.4 on the right side. So I will bring this 0.25 here and I will take this 1.75 here. So it will give us 2.35 minus 1.75 will be 0.60 equals to 0.15x. Okay, so x will be equals to 4. Now input this 4 in one of any of the equation. So if I do it here, it will be 2.35 plus 1, because 2.25 times 4 is 1. So it will be equals to 3.35. So 3.35 is, I think, option D. Yes. Now question 12. A line is xy plane passing through the origin and has a slope. Okay, so the equation of line is y equals to mx plus b. Here b equals to 0 as it is passing through origin. So y equals to mx. Now m is given 1 by 7, so it will be 1 by 7 times x. Okay, which of the following points lies on the line? Okay, so here we are not able to see any fraction in the options. So what we will do is, can I write this equation as 7y equals to x, multiplying both side by 7? Okay, so the 7 and 7 will get cancelled and x equals to 7y. Now, if y will be 1, then x will be 7. So if I am able to find y equals to 1, because x is 7 times y, so it will be definitely more than y, right? So here 7 0, okay, 0 7, not no 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 14 2. Yeah, it can be happen. It can happen because y equals to 2, then x equals to 14. The option D is the right answer. Then this was the 12th question. 13th question is very simple. You have to solve this type of question. Even I have done this type of question in my videos. Okay, so first we'll solve the denominator. It will give us x plus 3 plus x plus 2 upon x plus 3 times x plus 2, and this whole part is in denominator. Okay, the numerator is 1. Now the denominator of the denominator we go to numerator, so it will give x square plus 5x plus 6 by multiplying this both terms, and this will be 2x by 5. So this is our option B. Okay, now 14th question. Okay, 3x minus y equals to 12. What is the value of 8 raised to x, 2 raised to y? Okay, so can I write 2 8 raised to x equals to 2 cube raised to x, or 2 raised to 3 raised to x, that will be equals to 2 raised to 3x. And now as it is divided by 2 raised to y, so I can write this 2 raised to y, and this is divided by 2 raised to y, so it will be 2 raised to 3x minus y, that is equals to 2 raised to 12, because 3x minus y is 12, which is given in the question. So option A is our right answer. Now 15th question. Ax plus 2 bx plus 7 equals to 15x square plus 6 cx plus 14, a plus b equals to 8. Okay, a plus b equals to 8, it is given. Okay, so we'll basically we'll compare the coefficient. So from here I can get ab equals to 15. Also 7a plus 2b equals to c by solving this by comparing the coefficients of x square and the constant term. Okay, so now Okay, so we have to give the value of C, but for that C we need the value of A and value of B. Okay, so for that I will solve this equation. It will become a quadratic in A, so I can substitute B by a 15 by A using this equation equals to 8. Now I will try to solve this. Okay, so it will be A square plus 15 equals to 8A. So A square minus 8A plus 15 equals to 0. So this is a quadratic equation splitting the middle term. So it will give us a square minus 5a minus 3a plus 15 equals to 0. So here I will get a equals to 5 comma 3. Okay, so a is 5 comma 3, so that I can say that, okay, a is 5 comma 3. So if a is 5, then b will be 3, and if b a is 3, then b will be 5. We'll first put 5 and 3 in the equation and try to see if we are getting any answer. So I will put a 5 and b 3 in this equation, and I will get, yeah, and I will get c equals to 7 5s are 35 plus 2 3s are 6. It is equals to 41. Is the 41 present in any option? Yeah, D. So D is our final answer. Okay, so by this method you have to eliminate the other options, and then you have to solve. Now we'll come to the question 16. Okay, t is greater than 0, t square minus 4 equals to 0. So t square will be equals to 4, t will be equals to plus or minus 2. Now as t is greater than 0, t cannot be equals to minus 2. Okay, so our final answer is t equals to 2 for this question. Fine. Question 17. Okay, this is given. Okay, AB is 1800. Okay, so AB is 1800. EB, that is this side, is 1400. Then BD is BD is 700. Okay, and CD is 800. Fine. So we have to find what is the value of X. Okay, so this both the triangles, that is A, B, and E, B, D, and C, are uh, are congruent triangles. Okay, so the proportion of their sides will be equal. So can I write x upon, okay, so from here we have to see that this is of no use. They have just given to uh, the confuse you. Okay, so I can simply write x upon 1400 equals to 800 upon 700. Okay, now I will be able to solve this. So from solving this I will get x equals to, see, 700 times 2 is 1400. Okay, so basically our answer will be 2 times 800, that is 1600 is our final answer. Okay, this was the question 8. 17th 18th question, what is the value of x? Okay, so you have to solve for the x, then you have to eliminate y. So to eliminate y we have to make the same coefficient. So I will multiply this equation by a 2, and it will become 2x plus 2y equals to minus 18. Then what I will do, I will just subtract the equation. So I will get 2x minus x is x, 2y minus 2y is 0, equals to minus 18 plus 25 will be equals to how much? 7. Okay, so x equals to 7. Now question 19. In a right angle triangle, one angle measures x degree where sine x equals to 45. Okay, so right angle triangle is there. Let's say this is x. So sine x will be 4 by 5. Cos of 90 minus x. Okay, so this is x, then this angle will be, let's say this is y. So y equals to 90 minus x. Okay, so cos y degree equals to how much? So cos y will be equals to adjacent upon hypotenuse, that is same 4 by 5, because for this side this is the adjacent side and this is the hypotenuse. Okay, so the answer is already given in the question. Okay, what is the value of x? Okay, so what we will do is we'll compare both of this, and I can write 2 into 5 into root 2 equals to root 2 times root x. Okay, now I can cancel this root 2 on both the side. I will square, and x will be equals to squaring on both the sides. I will get 2 times 5 square equals to 100. That is 10 square 100. Okay, so this way you will be able to solve the questions, and I think we have done it in 14 minutes with explanation. Okay, so without explanation I can easily do it in 4 to 5 minutes, let's say, but as I was explaining how am I doing, it took me 14 minutes, and I think we have the time limit of 20 minutes to appear for this paper. Okay, so many of the concepts I am uploading to my channel. You can follow my channel. I have my own tutoring services. If you want a personal tutoring, one-to-one tutoring, or a small batch tutoring, yeah, we have 25 minutes for 20 questions. Okay, so it's a good time because I was explaining you with solving the questions. So see you. You can follow my channel. You can subscribe my channel. If you want any conceptual clearance, you can Instagram me, send me a message. My mail ID is mentioned in the YouTube channel. You can contact me. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.